Probably nobody would have thought that this simple movement conceals a physical phenomenon that cannot be explained. Because we can only recognize three forces from this movement, the centripetal force, the centrifugal force and the gravitational force. The question now arises as to how a dynamic equilibrium can be created from these three forces when the rope rotates in a horizontal plane. Who can explain this physical phenomenon? It doesn't take much thought to come to the conclusion that this simple phenomenon cannot be explained with our current knowledge of physics. To achieve this equilibrium, an upward force is required, the strength of which must correspond exactly to the strength of the Earth's gravitational force. So where does this force come from? Is there such a thing as dark matter, dark energy or dark force? The fact is that all bodies of mass, from the Earth around the Sun, to the invisible electron around the atomic nucleus, to this little game in front of our eyes, have the same principle of motion. If we cannot explain this simple motion, how can we properly explain why the Earth revolves around the Sun and why the electrons orbit around the atomic nucleus? Physics is a serious science in which nonsense like dark matter and dark energy have no place.